Hello everyone, it's your boy Tlyard from Highland Tech, and today we are back with another video. Today we are going to install and review the central console dock for my Tesla Model Y Highland, but it's also compatible with the Model Y Juniper, and it was sent to me for free by Tlyard. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the link will be in the description. So huge thank you to them for providing me the product for free. Let's get started.
Alright, let's not waste any time. Let's open up the package, and right away you can see the product inside. The docking station comes in one single piece, so no need to assemble or mess with anything. It's powered through the cigarette lighter socket, and you'll notice here that the charging cables are retractable, which is super practical. They're actually quite long too. In my case, I went with a USB-C and lightning cable combo, but you can go USB-C and USB-C, or even lightning and lightning if you want. And no matter what, you still have one extra USB-A port and one extra USB-C port available just in case. Now let's hop into my car so I can show you how I normally charge my phone. On the newer Model 3 Highland, Model Y Juniper, the problem is that you only get a single USB-C port inside the armrest. So for example, if a friend with an older iPhone needs to charge, I have to unplug my charger and then plug in a lightning one. It's annoying. And that's exactly where this dock comes in handy. But before installing it, I did have one small concern. I was wondering if the little LED lights in the storage might stay on even when you close it with the dock installed. We'll check that later. For now, let's go ahead and install it. Super simple. Just open up the lighter port, plug the dock right in, and set it in place. Here, I noticed I didn't plug it in all the way the first time. But once it's properly connected, it lights up. The LEDs actually react to sound or vibrations, which is a cool touch, but personally, I prefer turning them off for a cleaner look. It seems like you can cycle through different modes to change the color too, but honestly, I like it better without any lights. Looks more subtle. You probably also noticed this small screen. It displays the car battery voltage. It should be around 16 volts, which is perfect. It's a nice little feature to keep an eye on the 16 volts battery status. Always good to know if something's wrong. Let's test it with the phone. The charging cable is long enough to reach all the way up to the roof of the Model 3, which is great. Alright, now I'm going to check if the LED inside the compartment turns off when I close it. And yep, as you can see, it turns off properly. I'm also putting all my stuff back in the compartment to see if the dock gets in the way, but everything fits just fine. Everything slides in easily, nothing's blocked. So yeah, no issues at all. Everything stays accessible and works just like before. As I said at the beginning of the video, you'll find the link to the dock in the description, and you can get 27% off with my code HY13. Thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you are thinking of buying a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral link to save $1,000 on your purchase.